Today, I am out at the Gladly. It's on Camelback Road in Phoenix. I'll put the address right down here for you. And it looks like an amazing place. I'm here early enough for happy hour, so I'm going to start with an Arnold Palmer. And then I also ordered the sausage and pretzels, which normally is $8, but because I'm here during happy hour, it's $5. So $3 savings, really good. They're also known for something very special, so I'm excited to order that and tell you about that a little bit later. Is known for their original chopped salad, and it is amazing the way they set it up. It comes to you this beautiful, like, artistic piece, and then you get to mix it all up and get the flavors all together yourself. What's on it? There's smoked salmon, there's pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds if you didn't know, there's tomatoes, there is couscous, there's arugula, there's sweet corn, and there is also currants, Asiago cheese, and buttermilk dressing. This is going to be a delicious salad to all mix up and enjoy. There's also marinated tomatoes, so I'll have to steer around those a little bit because you know me and tomatoes, but that's okay. I'll do it for you, sacrifice, have that great bite all together. The price of that is $15. It's not on the happy hour, but it's worth it because this is an amazing looking salad. Entree, I ordered the Commander Burger. Now, this is another item that's on the happy hour. Normally it's 16, but because of the happy hour, it's 12, so a little bit of a discount. It is a big, juicy burger. What's it consist of? Here we go. You ready? Take notes. It's certified Angus brisket and chuck ground meat all put together. Lettuce, tomato, onion, sweet pickle on a bun. You can add cheese and bacon, that's an extra cost. And they even have a special sauce. So I'm ready to sink my mouth into this burger. Hope you are too. It also comes with your choice of fries or salad. So have a little room, since I'm already doing the chopped salad, I'm gonna do the fries. So the soft pretzel comes with a dipping mustard, some sausage, and some chunks of cheese. So let's have a bite. That's a good pretzel bread. Piece of sausage, piece of the Asiago cheese. That's tasty. That's a mouthful. What an amazingly beautiful salad. So Daniel mixed it all up for me. Can't wait to scoop it up, have a couple of bites. A few ingredients in that I normally don't put in my salad, but I'm excited to try their original chopped salad. So thanks to Daniel for doing the hard work for me. Okay, got a little bit of everything. I'm excited. A lot of different textures. Wow, really great flavor. That ranch really binds it all together, but you get the pizzas, you get the corn, the delicious salmon. This is a salad you gotta order. So this is the Commander Burger. Nice, juicy. Oh yeah. That's a good combination. But tater tot. I just had that delicious meal. It was really fantastic. You gotta come down here to the Gladly. The chopped salad blew me away. Commander burger, the mixture, really nice flavor. But that chopped salad, I'll keep coming back for that chopped salad. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. I know I said goodbye, but my waiter talked me into something. Bag of cookies. I'm no cookie monster, but I still can't say no. There are 4 chocolate chip cookies in a bag, $5, resealable. How can you go bad? Will I eat one now? What do you think? Probably. Cookie.
For this cookie. Nom nom nom. Oh, nom 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 nom.
Cookie.